अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आई होप आप सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज के एपिसोड में वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द मेजर एंड नेचुरल रीजन्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान। वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स एंड वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द प्रॉब्लम्स। बट सबसे पहले रीजन वर्ड को देखिए। क्या आपको पता है व्हाट इज मेंट बाय अ रीजन? रीजन का मतलब होता है एन एरिया, स्पेशली पार्ट ऑफ अ कंट्री or the world having definable characteristics, but not always fixed boundaries. और अगर हम पाकिस्तान के रीजन्स के बारे में बात करें तो हम इनको 5 रीजन्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं। नंबर 1 प्लेन रीजन, नंबर 2 डेजर्ट रीजन, नंबर 3 कोस्टल रीजन, नंबर 4 humid and partial humid mountainous region, and number 5 dry and partial dry mountainous region. अब सबसे पहले वाले को देखते हैं which is plain region. Plain region का मतलब है a flat and broad expanse of land. And if you talk about plain regions of Punjab, then it is also called an upper Indus plain. This region expands from Attock to Mithankot. 5 big rivers of Punjab drain this plain and cover it with alluvial soil, which is formed by flowing water and most irrigated area. Most of the land has congested population and big cities like Faisalabad, Multan and Lahore are also located here. अब आते हैं lower Indus plain पे. The lower Indus plain includes the area from Mithankot to Thatta, which is in Sindh. It is a level alluvial plain and is very fertile. But यहाँ रेनफॉल बहुत कम होती है और कम रेनफॉल की वजह से यहाँ एग्रीकल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ भी नहीं हो सकती। ट्यूब वेल्स आर यूज्ड फॉर द इरिगेशन पर्पसेस। Sakhar barrage is the largest barrage here. The plain region of KPK mostly consists of the cities like Peshawar, Bannu, Lucky Marwat, Diyai Khan and Mardan. The plains in Peshawar saturated through our Sak Dam. And while Balochistan is a dry region and is saturated by the Guddu barrage. As compared to KPK, this region receives less rainfall. अब हम आते हैं the desert region of Pakistan. The desert region in Pakistan is located on southeast. In Punjab, it expands from Bahawalnagar to Bahawalpur. In Sindh, it consists of Sakhar and Tharpar. People used to nourish goats and camels over here. And due to the lack of water in this area, people used to store rainwater for drinking and washing purposes. The second desert of Pakistan is Thal. This is located between the Jhelum and Sindh river. Tributaries from river Sindh and tube wells irrigate the land. The third one is Kharan, which is in Balochistan. Some area of district Chaghi is also included in this area. The population is rare in this area, and this is the least progressive area in Pakistan. अब हम आते हैं coastal regions पाकिस्तान के. The coastal region of Pakistan expands from the border of India in Sindh to the west in Iran. It consists of several ports. Karachi is one of the oldest ports. Others include Port Qasim and Port Gwadar. There is more rain in coastal Makran. While the climate remains dry all the year, in the coastal regions of Sindh there is a humid air and unpredictable rainfalls. There are the forests of mangrove at the eastern side of River Indus that are important for nourishment of fish and which stop the waves to reach the populated areas. Now, what are the humid mountainous regions? Humidity is the state of air when it's full of water vapors. A climate with an excess of moisture in which the solar heat received is insufficient to evaporate all moisture occurring in the form of precipitation. Such areas are known as humid regions. The areas included in humid mountainous regions are Mansehra, Hazara, Aptabad and Murree. There is rainfall in both summer and winter seasons. Mostly, monsoon winds bring the rainfall. Weather during summer remains pleasant. इसलिए तो इतने लोग मरी और एबटाबाद जाते हैं गर्मियों में. While partial humid mountainous regions include the areas of Kashmir, Chitral, Swat, and Kohat, there is not much rainfall except the period between February to October. Dry mountainous regions include the areas of Balochistan like Makran, Chaghi, and Kharan. From KPK, areas like Tanak, Bannu, Karak, and Kohat are included. In these areas, less than 12 inches of rainfall per year happens. Winters are extreme and in summer temperature rises up to 47 Celsius. Due to extreme seasons, this area lacks forests. While partial mountainous regions consists of salt range, Kohe Salman and Kohe Keithar. Mountain regions, these areas are famous for gardens, especially of fruits of apples, pomegranates and almonds etc. चलें अब हम इस एपिसोड के की पॉइंट्स पर गौर करते हैं. Number 1. A region is an area, especially part of a country or the world, having definable characteristics, but not always fixed boundaries. Number 2. The plain is a flat and broad expanse of land. Number 3. In the coastal regions of Sindh, there is humid air and unpredictable rainfalls. Number 4. Partial mountainous regions consist of salt range, Kohe Suleiman and Kohe Keithar mountain ranges. अब हम अपना टेस्ट लेंगे और देखेंगे कि हमने आज के एपिसोड से क्या सीखा. Number 1. Plain region of Punjab is also called a dash. Upper Indus Plain. Number 2. Dash is located between the Jhelum and Sindh river. Thal. Number 3. The forests of Dash area are at the eastern side of river Indus. Mangrove. Number 4. Dash is the least progressive area in Pakistan. Kharan. Students, अगली एपिसोड तक अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.